What's up, builders? Today's mission, I'm going to try to make a truck bed dolly out of some 4x4 scrap, and I need to give my wife her parking spot back. So that's what I'll be working on today, make a truck bed dolly. Over here's where my wife would usually park, but I've got my Mini Cooper in the way right here, and I need to make room right over here where I park the Mini Cooper, but I have to take down a pallet rack gantry, and then I need to make a cart to get the bed out of the way. So this wouldn't be a problem if I hadn't thrown away that old truck bed dolly. I had used it for a cab dolly as well. It was just a couple of 2x6s bolted together, and then I had the pneumatic wheels bolted underneath it. First design I made, I think it was just a pallet, and I put the wheels on it, and that didn't end well. And then the two... Failure. Well, I've already had to redesign my plan. I was going to use 4x4s, just scrap pieces, and just bolt those together and use that. But I don't have enough 4x4 to create the cart. So I went ahead and grabbed some C-channel from an old pallet rack that we had laying around and welded that together, and I bolted the wheels on. Let me show you. So I got the pneumatic wheels all bolted on here, got the C-channel all welded on each corner. The dimensions are 51.5 by 6 feet. So my plan was to make it 4 feet by 6 feet, but I didn't have enough 4x4 wood to put it all together. So I went ahead and put some C-channel together and welded it on. I do need to air these up, and I'll probably grease them while they're on here. But I'm gonna go ahead and bolt some 4x4 scrap. Some pieces of 4x4 just to add a little bit of a buffer between the metal of the cart and the metal of the truck bed. I'd say that worked out pretty well. If I could redo it again, I'd make the cart a little bit higher, maybe a foot higher. That's a good thing about pneumatic tires, is I can go on different terrains. If they were solid wheels, I think I'd have more difficulty. I'll put the truck bed back here for right now. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Front clip, hood, all back here. Got my pallet rack gantry hanging up right there. Whew, success. Now we can get everybody's cars moved back in their proper locations. Appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, leaving a like and a comment. We will go ahead and finish mounting the cab on the frame, and then once all that's done in the rear, I'll go and put the bed of the truck onto the frame. But until then, stay tuned, and I'll catch you next time.